So, Graham, I heard that radon is a silent killer in your home. Could you elaborate on that?
Yeah, so it's dubbed the silent killer, mostly because radon is invisible and odorless. And yet, long term exposure to it is the second leading cause of lung cancer. So, in Canada, first cause of lung cancer is smoking, second is radon, with an average 4,000 deaths a year attributed to radon. People just don't know that it's happening because it's invisible and odorless. And we're particularly vulnerable to this. So that's how it's dubbed the silent killer is, it's like secondhand smoke or
Hmm.
CO2, carbon monoxide poisoning. You just don't know you're being poisoned.
Are there any detectors outside of just the kits? Like I know carbon monoxide has a detector that you can place in your home. Is there something like that for radon detection, or is it just the kits that we spoke about?
Yeah, so you can buy the DIY kits from Home Depot
Yeah.
or the hardware stores that we had talked about before. But, even Amazon sells some. But we recommend is the continuous monitoring system. It is exactly like those CO2 monitors that you have in
Hmm.
your house. You install them in your house. They're battery powered, or you could hardwire them in depending on the units that you buy. The good ones communicate with your phone via Bluetooth, so that it hooks into your Wi-Fi, and then it can connect in Bluetooth or through Wi-Fi to your phone, and then it will send you alarms if your radon levels are not acceptable levels. And that's what I would do in order to protect my family from this silent killer is I would install one of these alarms. Even if you're not thinking about getting a mitigation system or you're not ready to pull the trigger, some of these good systems are about $200. What's your family's health and safety worth to you?
Exactly. And is there a period where you might want to replace these systems or kind of change out the batteries, or is it all dependent on the system itself?
Depending on the system, some of them are regulated that they have to be recalibrated every year to 3 years. Again, depending on the system. Our professional series systems that we have that do the instant snapshots have to be calibrated every year. Um, every system's a little different. So I would check with the manufacturer of the system that you're looking at to let you know.